In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add files to iCloud Drive. If you've ever wanted your files to show up seamlessly across your iPhone, iPad, and even your Mac or the web, iCloud Drive is the place to put them. It's Apple's built-in cloud storage, and adding files to it is quick once you know the exact taps. I'll walk you through the process on iPhone or iPad so you can upload with confidence. Start by finding the file you want to add. This could be in the Files app, in a folder you use often, or another location that shows up in Files. Press and hold on the file until a small menu appears. From that menu, tap Copy. This action prepares a duplicate of the file to be placed in iCloud Drive, and it won't remove the original from its current spot. Think of it like picking up a photocopy, ready to drop it into your cloud storage. Next, open the Files app. At the bottom of the screen, tap Browse if you aren't already there. Under Locations, choose iCloud Drive. This is the main container where your cloud files live. If you have specific folders inside iCloud Drive, feel free to open the folder where you want the file to go before the next step. That way, it lands exactly where you need it, keeping everything organized. Now, press and hold on any blank area within iCloud Drive or inside the folder you chose. When the menu pops up, tap Paste. You'll see the file appear and begin uploading. The upload time depends on your internet connection and the size of the file. While it's working, try to keep the device awake and the Files app in the foreground for large uploads so they complete smoothly. Once the upload finishes, that file becomes available across all your devices that use the same iCloud account. A couple of quick tips to make this faster and more reliable. Use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data whenever possible. Wi-Fi generally provides a steadier connection and better speeds, especially with big files. And if you're moving a lot of large files, paste them in smaller batches. Uploading a few at a time helps prevent stalls and makes it easier to see what has finished and what's still in progress. That's all there is to it. Copy the file, go to iCloud Drive in the Files app, and paste. It's a simple routine that keeps your important documents, PDFs, and other files backed up and ready wherever you need them. Try it out with a single file first, then build your folders in iCloud Drive to keep everything tidy and easy to find.